Everybody, it's Mark again. People ask me all the time, when do you change your cleaning solution in your ultrasonic cleaner? And my answer is, when you're no longer satisfied with the results that it's producing you. I had this antique cuckoo clock movement made by Albert Feig in my cleaning solution for 15 minutes. I put it in for another 15 minutes. I'm not satisfied, so I changed my cleaning solution. So now I'm going to put it in for another 15 minutes and see what happens. So this is the before. I do have the bellow repaired, and as soon as I put my fingers on these holes, you will hear the difference. There's another hole down here. I don't think it's affecting it. I forgot my camera stand at a friend's house, so I'm making do with what I got. Again, it's Tyvek. It should be leather. I don't have any leather. Leather's more expensive. Y'all do with your bellows what you want. I'll do with what I want. The sound is probably going to be about the same. Here's one that has the original bellow. But hopefully my cleaning solution will make the movement look a little better. So we're going to have to stand by. Okay, here's the movement after I changed the cleaning solution. As you can see, somebody soldered these two spots right here, and I'm going to have to fix that. But it looks a lot cleaner after changing the cleaning solution. So I hope y'all like this video. Please hit the subscribe button, because it's free to do so. And may God bless each and every one of you.